yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara kuzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege kuzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
bono togendrete no murubirega obwetwane na buna konye na kumanyiri ase chinse chiga chabonega ne hotorache kurigereria ribaga ali kanisa erio ase okorinda ebintu bitoncho kanene nabo igo okorinda ense ane muno ekeroche plastic echigendrete gotukuterware nabo igo okorinda lire moncho murigereria karibu sana erinde tunyare gosanga Bishop.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes.
Thank you, Wakiri. Anyembe wakiri teringi yaigo.
Wakiri uya na nashukuru kwa ngarga nigaigo. Zinyaka batogo kwanira mangana iyo atungete ense itu. Biyamona sana. Yes.
Umwancho murigere nakane kumanyerete ryao. Na omo bishop kanisa keye nande orogongo kioro ya utenerete.
Okay, Seria tango John Orina Omangi, Bishop of Anglican Church of Kenya. Diocese ya Upper Southern Nyanza. Iyo Kavete Kisii and Nyamira counties. Ne diocese yaba created in 2023. Kurwase diocese na renge ya Southern Nyanza, ya renge Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii and Nyamira. So one on the Kisii gaiga abisi ya Upper Southern Nyanza. Yeah.
Biyamona sana na inde karibu na ene kirora igali tukuria lero kanisa ribagaria kanisa ase okorinda ense liroba.
Biyamona sana kanisa ne institution enene ere ase ense engima.
Yes.
Na kanisa ni ebwate echukumu yokolenda environment. Emachukumu ayini gakorwa ase Nyasaye omonyene ase gitabu ya omochakano ibere kyogote abanga lenda ense. Nyasaye kera atongita Adamu na Hawa akamubeka ase omogondo Eden akamuteya yorende arende bintu birororo alikera matunda otatikeri butunda ya gatigati ase gesongo bakuruka nga cultural mandate.
Yes.
Yokolenda environment ige kanisa nebwate echukumu korwa ase Nyasaye yokolenda bintu biri Nyasaye atongete. Na kikakogera kanisa eri mustari ya mbele ase okolenda environment. Mono chikanisa na Anglican Church nebwate program eko deal na mangana ya environment.
Yes.
Na wanyana barandie na bakoroli baye ngosomera bale amangana gorukunga eco theology. Eco theology igoro ya okolenda ecosystem.
Yes.
So ntubwate amafundisa yo ase theological institutions and colleges cyo train abantu egere kerba basoka gitiyali babwate obumanyi igoro yokolenda environment.
Mbiyamona sana na ekiro tokorinda environment gose ebintu bitoncho kanene ebintu bitangani bibwanate gose igati ebitambukiro biri byo kwimokia mbirevi ana mono chinga kibune chiga kiro plastic egendete koliki gose ebintu byichi nylon masakara
ebintu amasakara chi nylon ne plastic ekara abantu bako gisamba ovyo nigo chiko ya jasokeri yoki yagenda igorase asembeo twasalie embeo kera twasalie embeo usibinde bya accumulate igorali bya manyakuroro byatanga nonyene mbura tegocha igo asobwenge egentakero kara amasakara ye plastic nebinde byansi ye plastic ndubana tukobisamba usikobiri tuguta ofyo tugana tukobi collect toire ase serikali yabekire ibintu bikaba recycled. Ogosamba chitaire ase chipara n'ibintu binebyo nigo bigo saria environment. Ase ngejeri yo kiriri gotira ukigoro ligora lia form carbon monoxide ebintu byasali ecosystem kabisa they affect no nyene mbeto ko yana tekaba fresh kwanyara abantu ba nyorira amarwaire ebintu bine byasingenjo tusaletie amasingara aya atoyetanaine no nyene mete ekere tutari gusimeka emete ngokonyere go killing embe yetokoyana monasibo mugasono embutuko emete ekere rororo ngo clean your environment lakini ekere togotegora twasali bisabo byaye emete etali ase no ese kuligererio abantu bakorara ase emete smekire around niyo bakorara buya lakini abarase ensera kere tumoto tayange
une town
bali comfortable no ane town ya ise kuboli abangira bakotebi
amasakara ase iriroba nkagiritenga ine bintu biri bitari kugunda bishop ngira kwandira ase
amasakara keto atinde kuja ase riraba amasakara dali go decompose na kera go decompose na nyene kera embura ya ture amache tali kogenda insebina ecosystem ebe created how we got stuck as amasakaraye namasakaraye a pollute environment no weke bimeri no kora kende yons bono neliraba elitubana to kolenda iraba ndubana to grow na go create itself igine kara masakara roro akobe obstacle into the composition nebintu bitakere ono mali ya kwanyora nga liraba lya salikire no smeka binto kende ngeo gakoba na bekoyerenga kientambe ko restore liraba elyo
bishop ekreto kwana plastics timetinga croise ensemo ye kanisa kero mukwana na maigeria yaiga bintu kibiri biko ba considered birosiri nature plastic
ebintu birosiri nature plastic ase chichuba yido abantu bakubeka amache bottled waters chichuba jiro cha amache amasakara na ya pande asinse ya Kenya lakini abande mbaro bakonyora bayabwate chitile no ine birogo be plastic miroro ebintu miroro no chikanisa jinde njiro chibwate asbestos lakini mtuma yatenga county ya Kisii na sinse jinde ntubwate process yo korusia ebintu ebyo it's ongoing so ebintu amasakara no bikombe biro byanzu atumia for all communion via plastic in the church of late into we have migrated from those couplets but on other couplets that are plastic so plastic ntumanye te plastic chirase ebintu serikali ya kanire imasense ya Kenya which the church to supplement and to reinforce gote yabantu ngekene neserikali goteba na bereigo we join together to educate yabantu gore ya bintu bya plastic
amagerio igoro ya recycling ebintu biga koba reused na inde singinjo konyoranga che plastic chininge koba chire recycled yes enchira nere aba Kristo obanyare konyora au bosemia enchira bone to kubisangireri erinde byanyara kobe kwase ande byachi koiro orera gukora imirimo ribagari ko bisamba
yes Anglican Church ndubwate a wing gorokunga Anglican Development Services ADS ADS a program mo eroro na waste management na ngo collect plastic into as a center yete chibekire designated areas kurwasi chikanza na the department or the Mothers Union na nekiombe kyabangina na youth Kenya Anglican Youth Organization na barase emerobelie yo bagusangereria waste management baira ADS yaira sibidu abantu baraganda baros beads nebintu binde kweteraze recycled items Anglican Church of Kenya in partnership with other development partners na Equity Bank na abandi tubwate merobelio yo gusimeka emete as a school, Anglican sponsored school, Anglican churches, unaona bishop wangu ande Paris gete in my program ente getangani karna ikoiga wiko transmeke mete emete dosi mekoro
yes
imo bishop na delegation yae na bande to mark that very day so witko anda sikanisa chite nyinge abako nyore mete yes mekire na our sponsored schools. Now we are also to adapt some gardens.
Bishop,
yes.
Yiga ne ye kurwase skuru ye kurwase ensemo ya Anglikana yoka gose kurwasa barai bonse bechi kanisa ngo sira balengane yega.
Okay, abarai manona kanisa Anglican Church nere was spearheading the lakini we have pulled together other interested partners na toire Equity Bank.
Yes.
Ya vero ko korayu na some other institutions mtanyara watu rabona iga lakini ngo watera ture na barai in fact no nyene county ite takako to ase garden to ko adapt as a church na to adapt na to beautify as a youth smekemete to kole bindo mugondo no yo lakini to smekemete which we are adapting. We will be na nenjera ya muyokole ndorogongo.
Yes. Mbia muno Bishop na nekero tukurigereria aigase orugongo rwagusi kororokana ngano nyechindemero cia keire nigo bono abantu bachakire kumigana yet ukorigereria mangana buna construction ebintu binde binge bigendete gukora se kokorekana se riroba nigo bikwira riroba gusarika metinga abwaro amaigerio kuse obosemia uraina ne guchimanya getinge mborobi.
Akana wonde ya imeyagusi ya very overstretched asingenje population lakini tumanya nyasa na sineti igusi asingenje mbura environment erone ngiere bono engakia ikire imeyagusi abantu tuanze kolengereria igoro yoko genda kwagache guchigoro to move from subdivision of land.
Yes.
Tuanze kwagacha kogenda igoro ono mugonda asore ngo chiembe igoro chigorova na egere emegonde yende tigare ase emetego simekwa environments we katarengera land policy ngakie emegonde ito to korote kemono egende tego shrink twagache go chigoro egere to reserve emegonde yende astogwena twagacha horizontally to simeke meto to save environment na ebkwagacho go chigoro ni okorabe raisi ekero construction processes and approvals chira keiwe complications chiro abantu bange nigo bakwa basanda gichkwagacha asingenjo cost of building egorofa imeyagusi teligento raisi
ngusi yoka ko sinetsinze we
no nyene si count chaito legal li approval yoka tuarate mire vile it is so costly because we go renew after maybe 2 years na nyo that kwa aje gorofa ya 5 floors no call query within 2 years to gokora and we go check process upe ya ku renew so ebintu nebi bibana to ko ligereri warakini rende ngegene tenga ekara abantu bakwagacha baligererie asto kwagacha ngai because in my own estimation umugondo or farming asara to awene tawene kwagacha tuwene kwagacha se
asiri roli to abantu ba
bareme so renga ngai tuwene to position enyomba unabono recently naringe Nigeria actually amangana azo kwa na west but taraiko is a west management there are embe amasakara chi politin pepa kalokol gereriga ogukuminga kieke so Kenya at least to attempt we are somehow better compare ne chinse chinde na ararigereiri chi Africa igo emegonde yaito tiga tosimeke emete elieta ligo kora mache emete nerorora abantu ba forest babonete kubwatira nechi kanisa ba provide seedlings twa abantu ase chikanisa ito bachi gusimeka emete elieta ligo kora mache egarete tuomia omogondo ito usi.
Yes, Bishop, nataka gukuburi nga kirukinde nabe gotoka nga mwasegetira abantu kurwase kanisa bagenda mwabasemyanga basimeke emiti. Ekiro kurigirira gusieiga emiti kieri bonete gusimeko ikiagera konyora nga bono emiringamu yabeire mono gose yabeire nerire menge ase orugungo rwa gusi emiti neraro okurigire konyora nga gusi bantu mbarayita bomono. Gose emiti yarengororo kurukare lakini bantu abangerero bakubika emiringamu ikiagera nga nere gukina bwangu.
Emiringamu bwange gukina lakini wade effect chimbe kubwa emete nero buneme kabiri ne kuya taligo konywa mache mekabiri metandege emete ya kare nerororo duma tinga generation ya ne ganto kunyara gwatura mete ya kugusi tike komiga
yes
ndo kunyara gwatura
emete eri mukoro to yes
lakini nabongo ta mukabiri omo tandege omo konge
emiobo
emete yo na yalenga adud lakini ende na webwana ne miere ngo save ya renge environment mesocho esimekwe ne metende no na maua eto simeke emete kotorete benefit abo simeko moto wate na matunda na ne avocado avocado ne mete njiro sari irabanjiro chiacha kora tgeji chinkoro njiro jikomi ase lakini njiro chire customized na bajiko babona maua andi ya koletera matunda andi ya save environment
echiga has avocado
yes yeah so na those make mete elia worked both as beauty na ande kotoletera masao gete na andi ya save environment ono mulinga moro orogo kinoro kwa echibao lakini ngo salio environment
Enchira kyo sari sengenjo kunywa macha
mange chigara nditimati se savana igwa asiri tuko yeah
na vono ndoche eishwere gusiaiga chindo chinchiraro tubate chi streams na voiko rivers lakini shida bone mete ichire roche bogeka timetinga ekero aba kristo kiagira kenga kero mochi bobwate endemerego so roche mbasi megete mete ko genda roche bose metere angina roche na nengo genda vali kanisa timetinga ekanisa yaro kero kendera atema ikiagira serikali negende tikonya kurugi kura abantu mbasi mekemete angina roche kura sense mo ekanisa aro timetinga murate mo kwanera aba kristo abaige emeteri nerusi wangene chindoche.
Yeah, kanisa ngotema torego okwana igoro ye obuya gotasimeke metange na roche gose kuliga limete kyo gosimeka na roche nero era approved era simekwange na roche
yes
na nero era disapproved edari gosimekwa ange na roche lakini omanyete ebinta abantu banalira singa kientambe gocheke kurusioro limarioka tari raisi
yes
weko irengaki ono ndeli korosa gukwana atokogendera gukwana kuorokereria na kufundisha na twegende tenga with time abantu baje kunyara kuba bako change mutasamu igoro ya creation yenya saa toete tunyakuba tukolenda environment.
Bishop asense mo ya responsibility I think abantu abange bakogane kogenda turi kanisa lakini kwanyoranga asevinte bingeto kogani gosuguma bona bono kurinda environment okonyoranga muntu nabakwa mwarute buna bono etawoni gakuruta chi plastic ya nonsense nchametenga nkwa kanande tax serikali county ngochere cha collect meeting ekanisa rekero to gosomigwa mangana responsibility nararo lakini bado ekorokananga ensenenko
nsine nkogwe kanisa abantu abange in Africa gose ase generation yetu tubwate abakwana mono igoro ya haki yetu lakini banye kwana igoro ya responsibility yetu bwate.
Yes.
Because rights and responsibilities. It's our right to pay, our responsibility to pay tax. Like it's our right to get services. Lakini the minute nga tosalie binto, kero muntu na wana tukutwara musigo inga nga kingo kora make nkole ndo nga positive contribution asogo save environment. Ase ke koro kilio kora nga kigwa changire ase ogokonya na kulenda environment. Igo it will take still time to chake no kuru jiskuru ali ko raise generation ansinara abantu bawe kabata change. Wasero about abanga you cannot teach a whole dog a new trick.
Omote okoyo kumba
koro morere kiato chake no kurunsalia koro kerelia abana no kuruka igoro ya responsibilities na kitoko save environment ya ito.
Yes.
Na
wetira ase abana baiga abaibuli bali bagocha ekanisa nchiraki abana abaibuli bwante kwenda kusomia abana bagosa abana bagamba bwante kubekera ubuna bonebe buna nechi lesson chire ase kanisa bagosomeri gwaroro.
Yes.
Kwanela abatene bechi kanisa
chikanisa ingo kwana kurwa our church for example because that's where I understand what
yes.
Gikero. Ntobwat children ministry department yego deal na abana kalengana ne age group na chileso njiroro bago fundishwa na actually no nyana balimu aba babo bagwa time bako batalira no nyenka bachikoranga ngakibakoreta sa chileso ngete igoro ja environment igoro yobolemi ya bana tugana nyene chingo kotorole ngaki okoreta practically. So we make some follow-ups in our area egere toba orokerligoro ya hard work na kwa responsible citizens. Ndoli actually theme ya Anglican Church na wano mwako yo no mwako wholesome youth for wholesome nation. Wholesome youth for wholesome nation. That's the theme tu averdo ko kwana omwaka omugima to study igoro ya the person of Joseph. How he was a wholesome youth for wholesome family and wholesome nation. Na kineta konye familia yaye pakense.
Yes.
That's what has been our theme.
Bishop, abo savasai. Omete bona vasai na ubabwate ribaga. I think no nyeri ogibona na ubabwate ri ogiri nyinge kima asense ya Kenya. Ekiro kurigereria ense ya Kenya. Avasai mbabwate ribaga ya bene ri okorenda environment.
Yes.
Lakini yatoka nga bado ntobwate some laxity ase vare. Yes.
Yeah, abana youth we are 75% of the Kenyan population. Na ntubwate energy, chinguru and time chokora positive transformation. Actually, church and the net abana youth bonds by Anglican Church of Kenya, Kenya ngima. Na botubwato togenda tukoboro kerelia igoro yogo save environment. Oiso kuligerelia se news bakubwati na bemokoranga choose abana youth ba Anglican Church bas make mete Kenya ngima. Actually this time we planted over 3 million trees.
Kurwase kanisa.
Kurwase kanisa. Even nega gagusi das make mete ange I think it was around 300,000. Yeah, in Kisii alone through the youth. Abana youth yaba togenderete ko borokerelia na nechi program tubwate asichi kanisa na asichi diocese na Kenya ngima na wadhani tuko borokerelia our rights, our duties and our responsibilities as a youth. Ekero 75% as a Kenyan population na gotoko bring change, positive change tutagete kolengana na Nyasaye aganeti. So of course there are some elements, there are some youths who are idle. Abanda youth abange ba Kenya bano babwate a lot of disillusionment. Babwate gasi basome to babwate masakara lakini babwate gasi. Abanda babwate mental health issues. Stress nyinge babwate. Bagusinyese baje I listen to them ebintu bingi abanda bagocha bantebye ogusinyunga inkingo kora.
Yes.
Because there are many issues around them. Ekarto ko barana na street bagwa keliogi, they are crying for attention. They are crying for to be included as if in the weekend as ense. Na abantu bacho ba represent abange ba bebire batatu bategera. That's what we can see happening. I'm speaking as one of them.
Yes. Unabasa bali getie serikali nyale ko bategerera.
Bategererwe. In fact, I deal with the youth. Ekero oko bategerera oko ba inform oko work together. They are nice people. They can do good things. Lakini ekero todo ko bategerera, you are actually radicalizing them.
Bishop, gukonda mangana bono industrialization, industry cha beri chinyinge na ekero gwetakira sengonyorore ibintu amarioki ngo bwatukware na boigo chita oni ibintu ne binge bigenderete ebe chi factory buna bono gusia iga chi factory nchiro chinyinge chichi chae na boigo ibintu binde binge. Ekero chi nande bado yatuka ngakero kende kurwa gusi nko gendera bare konya komenta gusi mwanya gitinge nko bori arenga bamentwe chi industry kurwa serikali enene. Naki ekero chi industry chigendete comment kana na boigo buna ekanisa eranyare kwenekia buna abantu bagendete gukina asokwanyorere ebintu na boigo korigie emeremo etokenga naro environment wise abantu bagendete ko twaro obwagare ubumanyi boisaine.
Nama enekere abantu batagete chi industry zonyore emeremo because emeremo negente getangani kanya saa tonge tumanya bantu negente getani amoete uno gosesenia nemerem. Work is a blessing. Work only became difficult after the fall. Lakini egasi no gosesenia kurwase Nyasaye na abantu batatu banyore emeremo nechi industry ekerechi kwagacho bali bakwagacho chi industry ntugwa the engineers and all environmentalists n'abantu babwendete ko come up with waste management either policy or plan ngakie waste kurwa ego chikoba either managed recycled te basoko harm environment na residents wamenyete in the surroundings chemicals njira jikorwa as chi industry abantu banyarwa chiumo iroche
chisi wachi kubatu
kwa chiroche cha salia abantu bitmate ebintu jaita ecosystem jaita chinswe jaita bintu menyata macheme aquatic animals ya salia bintu bien so the one to get the holistic way you can manage wastes na ndero na bwana tuale abana sheria usabana rakati pia baratete rights y'abantu bamenyete around the industry.
Yes.
Na kiwako wa compensated na kiwako wa taken care of whether as impact what impact assessment and bana ba assess igau ingende go cost ya abantu bamenyete is na ora beke industry ya release elements or particles chikoleta barwaira sabantu bamenyete in the surrounding so bintu ngwandu ya analyzed koronge nyuma tutarateba nga ebeke industry asigete
na korwa sinse moyo boreme bishop I think abuna ikagusi abantu abange ngora bare oboreme ebe large scale gose eri yoko enyorere enonye chingine nonye geticha gyoka lakini kwanyoranga ikase oboreme nande tukurigire abuna terrain gose liro barire gusi kwanyoranga nande omochando nororo no mangana buna erosion no go take a place mono embure nyinge negende tukanyore megukoneraro timenga ke ekero aba krista abaiga kero kende naki baranyale utena bukongwe keragendete no boli one kyanga nkore ndare ebintu bitongire ose ebintu biribwane tukorendo
akara toko kera abantu baitegoro ya farming in God's way. Farming in God's way. A program in as Anglican Development Services. To work abantu igoro ya modern ways of farming. Farming in God's way. To come up with Bible quotes, because Bible verses. Chigo din na mangana yobolemi obuya. Kolengana nyasaye abangete. Na to encourage abantu igoro ya compost manure because to realize it's other fertilizers from the factories you are the chemicals chi somehow chi harden umugondo chasari so we are encouraging abantu bairana compost manure to ate yo abantu bago build terraces gapions na basmike meteli eremiyase utanga so erosion ngorokera turabantu ase chingenje kina twa orokera gusumeka bimeli biribigo cover we hold liroba egarekera mbulego tu liraba ndigo sombwa we are doing that as a church abantu bari ku implement wa Kristo ndolaika 100% but at least ndore almost 50% of our population
nitego kora no nyobore mebwa in a godly manner
yes
biahono sana na nekiro tukurigerea okubwaterana egati ye kanisa nebyombe ebiga byokurigereria ebintu bitonchukana ntubwati kyombe buna bono nema ekanisa nkuchire yakora amangana buna ega usiyakora okubwaterana
yes I can say asnar to kubwaterana twabwaterana barabu to some extent no bono osobu agachi kerado ko agachi kanisa chaito was any serious project it's get the name approval we comply ko anda turoro baje bakora impact batulikera a report twagendera on the area of construction I think we have been working together
na nema
yes amangana ya where akarto kutatu sink for example a borehole because ngora akora toleigo as a community
chikanisa ne chinyingi chikoro seri
community borehole so na mango jerea kora impact assessment ya tote sasa na ya macha na mayari for ngokora torai to a partner na barabu akarto we protect wells and springs ngokora torai yo goetera se nema abachief abasub chief to protect a spring somewhere to improve around to our access to clean water. Anglican Church okoratole water harvesting. For example, we can give tanks to schools, to communities, to Akorayo. We do that program through Anglican Development Services. So when we work ADS, ADS.
Na nekiro kurigereria kero kende kurwa tubwate abarandia bono kuruchikanisa chinde timitinga keroki no manya kuhumera na mole kusene serikali moli kiti kukwana na serikali county kwanyora ngabara yaba ikamumera ne kuruchikanisa au totebe chabo SDA Catholic alafu mwachamo ngo umera na mole mwasange birengereri kuro ya amangana ya environment na boigo okututerale bintu muna chi plastic.
Yes, Anglican Church is one of the key member ya NCCK.
Yes.
National Council of Churches of Kenya. So most umbrella to twara ne ya NCCK na interreligious interfaith council. Interfaith council now wanayokoleta wa Kristo wa Islam and all these religious leaders go mera na tole. That interreligious council in Kisii. I'm a member there.
Abaislamu abaindi.
Abaislamu abaindi, abakristo na abungumera na tole twara discuss mangana na abaislamu baleta their Quran verses na these Christians we also print our Christian verses na abaindi baleta from sacred books tuakwana kero bantu baenda in their own section and actually these religions are agreeing on amangana environment. So we normally meet and the report how far they have gone. So Anglican Church, although we express ourselves through NCCK majorly. Now of course the House of Bishops, Anglican Church now, through our Archbishop Ole Sapit. It has now also another forum, Nature Dioceses. Dioceses, actually in Kenya, there is no part by Anglican presence aiko. It is all over.
So it's a
It was the network Kenya ngima. Yeah, so
it means encourage more kuchase abantu obonsi.
Yes.
Na ase abakristo response se chabo anemono igoro yamangana ayega togukwanira nakichire.
Response chaba Kristo abange nanate is a slow process. Bara bako catch the fire bwango bagenderera na bande mbaroro ntumanyete nga asiji kanisa even in a community tuwatha abantu aina ine abantu 4 categories baroro batatagitige ntukeya gekoreke ine group ya ende neroro etagete ende koleke lakini bagwati nguru ine ke kundi ya kabere ende neroro etagete ebinde biya bikoreke na bande mbaroro bakumetingi kagenderete iru bejinya na chiro
abantu bare tofauti
abantu bare tofauti lakini average ni na gote bya bume chakano almost 50% baansire ko adopt so 50% is an ongoing process ndo korosa na utoko ndra we educate na utoko ndra ko push forward mpaka tororenga abantu banchiranira akagenderera.
Na bishop asinse moende kwanyora amangana technology bono ya chire kire gento niko kire digitalized timantinga ekiro tukurigeria ase ebyombe ebichikanisa kusichikanisa kote more go create platforms eso konyoranga moko ligereria mangana ya gose moko beka chi campaign igoro yoko rinda environment.
Yes, to digital na gote imono ase abasai agu asenda a chairman ya barabu Kenya ngima ntubwate a platform ya digital as to ko ha mangana ba to yabi kiganda from all over the country as mangana ya environment. So digital platforms njiro open na abana youth baito abange ngo korabale amangana ayo ba raised content actually recently I was in England kwa palace king, and one of the person who was honored as among environmental conservation was one of my youth from Kenya. As among environmental conservation na create content ya ecosystem na will save environment. So she got that award at the palace. We call it Lambert Palace. So because of asigasi itanda tokora. Unabono tukabwa erari ya bana youth Kenya ngima in Malindi. Muzinyonane. Where I'm bringing together over 5,000 youths from all over the country. Now one of the topics evekiro as a program hii ya mangana ya environment na mangana digital ya media.
Yes.
One of the topic is wholesome media for wholesome nation is one of the topics so we will discuss ororo.
Asi okumerania abasa baiga. Gwatebire nga kiro kende gwetera content creation na wokonyora abantu banyare konyora ujumbe iguru yokurinda ebintu bitonjukanaine. Unaiga Agusti ningi bono kigerete kiro kende abasa gose muntu ndi bonsi batare sokia bakore content ekogendare egukunira iguru yoko tugutera ronye necho plastic abantu bamanya nonye obuya abukotema kubeka nonye umuchi buna bono oyo bosongo obumwe mochen.
Maybe abange baramanya the impact of content creation. Maybe we need to raise awareness as a youth thing and about creating content and even about your incentives for content creation. Maybe ekinaki tugwana tukoligera lino nyana county government chaito na Ministry of Environment as a county nebana tugocha with incentive then encourage abana youth bekara create content banyora gento kende ga motivation it will motivate them to come up with content. So you know unanakte muchako na bana youth abange mbagwatigas. So why skonyora ngani go create content na bo skonyora incentive. I think they will do something. Human beings need to be motivated.
Mbio mono sana ono ntubwate ebyombe kwanyoranga ebyombe miraro bitari imeye kanisa usebire isikogari lakini abantu aba bare members bebyombe biga nigo bare aba Kristo. Timitinga naki ubo Kristo gose amangana yayiga yechi kanisa aranyare kuikere ebyombe biga irinde banyara kumanyanga obuya abukolende ebintu biga bitongire ebintu bitonjokanaine irinde asie myake mengere bosi etokenga bado environment yeri tobwate gose tokenderete komenya asere mbuyere.
Nigo tora appeal ase byombe bitibire iskalia. Binyara ko bigo seek partnership nechi kanisa. Tobwatirana because ekara tobwatirana together we will make more impact. Ekara togoja in a common pool. So abange ni bago shy off to come to churches. Merokenda bandu wa there maybe this church does not stand with my philosophy. Kanisa na wana te cover one. Depending on where you are worshipping, tumanyanga we are one body. Our common enemy is the devil. Chikanisa wono abandu bakurwani chikanisa chinde kuliko kuchamo pamanyengo mu bisa tugwate no amogoro kusetani lakini mereme yo save environment ne to twins because we are on earth planet all of us tugwaterane to chamo agara tunyako batoko gendera limon obosio na institution chire skali as far as they are doing good things pamanye pia that the most trusted institutions on earth, or maybe if I had time I would have spoken about mountains of influence. Church is one of them.
Yes, the church, Bishop, the church especially kura Gusii region ko tutebe nonye apa Nyanza buna kwa Iroka. Ukubwatena na ngorororo ase chikanise chika chirororo tutebe nonye whatever ri aburi ria NCCK ndiraro libegete chikanisa abara ingo bwatera na bare bori kuseneringa ntubono bunegi Anglikana tokore ya mangana ito enseme yiga ekanisa yi Catholic na bara bubatu arubura ebwabo yani ba muabeka boundaries kubwatera na ngoro
okubwatera na ngororo at some extent lakini manyete
sigo kuba limited
limited and you see initially Intoma itachi umbrella chi alengoro. The traditional ones. The NCCK is the oldest, which was formed in 1913. Yeah, and echi other umbrella anchiro chi magega, and with the EAK, we have all this which are coming up, which we need to find out how they came into being. Motivation. Some of them, they are good, and some of them were created for a special vehicle purpose. A special vehicle purpose. Lakini, we have tried. The church has been speaking in one voice. Unabono, aya mangana yandeta sense.
Yes.
The church do speak. It speaks through NCCK, Conference of Catholic Bishops, Anglican House of Bishops, EAK, all those umbrellas. They have not been contradicting one another, but they have been complementing one another. So, I will not a unit over something which is affecting Abanzo, you will see us speaking in one voice, not on doctrinal matters.
Bishop, I think nimbwate engana eyigana vera soe era kuniri abana siasa ake ekirondo chenga wono omo konyu bumura ibense musike kithore kindiki orbotiro na botura ronyora sembeo erindo nyara gotekerero igwe chinkwana chiae nigakomochie kanisa ng'ani yaberike gosegeta abasae banyare kokora ukurubekana na bwo kubwatira na abuna bono ababalozi koruchinse echinde chesiko timenyitinga ekero Bishop orabe kwa rodiringa neyo ningi oranyare gusanga especially ekero boniga abasae babere bakorobekana noroche abuna obukorerwa abanyanyimbo bwabere bugotwara bututukano ekibono keirere abakenya bange bazire kuboringa ki ekanisanga yerekero kene osonye kanisa ya kwandire iri ogeriga ndiragenda igoro ibuna abantu ba expected mwancho murigere toranyora oroboti oro twebuna omusike kithore kindiki arenge ukona kurase county ya Makueni
watekana no kurobekana kwene getwe chinsemo a email ya Kenya ritu igoro nigo makonyi bo mwenso mus professor kindiki amochiri yaba amonyechikanisa asegeto saria.
Lakini kuna makanisa mengine kupitia taarifa zao walichochea vijana kuwaweka maki na kuwaambia wako na uhuru wa kufanya lolote watakavyo. Hapo makanisa, mimi ningetaka niwaulize leo kama ile kazi tuliona jana ndio yale mambo walikuwa wanataka ifanyike.
Korenga na Professor Kithure Kindiki ayoti atiweni gale birenga bitanya kana sense kuri umwaka w'ikiri 5
Mimi nimekuwa kwa mambo ya siasa kwa muda kidogo kiasi, lakini yale ambayo yalitokea jana katika nchi yetu, ile aibu tulipata jana, ile hasara tuliingia jana, yale maovu yalitendeka jana, ile mali iliharibiwa jana.
Waigo Kindiki nigo mochire gatia babalosi go sabamba abo bete bakubaho bosore bo buna bagete ase abule gusokanya kwa bonkwanya kubakukana.
Kuna pia mabalozi wa nchi mbalimbali ambazo ni marafiki wa Kenya ambao pia walichochea vijana wakiwaambia mko uhuru wa kufanya lolote mtakavyo na msiweze kuingiliwa hata na polisi. fanyeni vile mtakavyo. Na kwa hivyo tunauliza wenzetu, wale mabalozi walikuwa wamechochea vijana, kama hiyo kazi ndio walikuwa wanataka ifanyike.
Go Muske Kindiki ni galenge kuya kwana yokurwa chinsemo cha kambu asiboigo aine kebune serikali negendrete koringoria ebirango by'obusaria byanyate ko babiko ene kigwa.
Bado tunatathmini, kuna police stations zimechomwa, kuna mahali tumepata ripoti ya kwamba wale wahuni wengine walichoma police station, pia waliiba bunduki na risasi.
Yinko reporter ya Getembe TV ncheni gonkuru kwa Ruth Murara.
Nino mwete abasaye obusibole bakore nga kanisa nero yete abasaye obusibole bakore kindi gyonsi batari gutangwa n'abanyanyimbo.
I think mangana omoske kindi kya ukwana could react as a statement to Akwana Kisumu. Yeah, because actually a section ya kurufa kochia injina ya somete. Again to ateba tenkiringa abana youth babu ato busibole who express themselves.
Yes.
Kulingana Human Rights Act ya 1948. Na intwe na aba brand yosemne kanisa ndo wate a mandate kurwase Nyasaye yogo tenena with millions of Kenyans ekera to koranga rights chabo ngochichire kobunwa na goikatu kwane ase bali batabwati sauti into to sauti ya bali batabwati sauti. So nigo twa ndota betinga abana youth to abaye chinguru banda bagosalie bintu otwa ababetinga Kenya gosemwa mwanya bantu ndobwa the right yo express ourselves ekere bintu byachire bogeka na emanyo kanenga Nyasaye na ekero somi Biblia Nyasaye otenene na balia ba kunyanyaso. God has taken sides with the poor and the marginalized.
Yes.
Na ekanisa koikato as a shepherd, koikato protect the flock, kurwase danger. Because even to ganda to korra bi ko letwa kurwase serikali. Nigo bi ganda to roll away gains which we have made as a country as a miaka menge. Na intuna babisho bangi kanja kinto go shy gukwana kose kanisa te go shy gukwana because before governments there was church. Before governments kanisa njale ngoro na nyine democratic space David President egukwana kurwa. It was a creation if the church did not stand in the past, especially the Anglican Church and other churches. Also under history, Kenya, Anglican Church cannot be left out. Multiparty democracy, as Kenya, it was fought for by the church, led by bishops Okulu Henry, Muge, Alexander Muge, Manasseh Kuria, David Gitari, all those were Anglican bishops. So the church will continue. Actually, if the church withdraw even in the country, then the government will be a shell. How many schools do we sponsor as the church? Catholic Church, how many schools we sponsor? How many schools are, how many Anglican sponsor, how many hospitals? So the church is not out to fight government. It is out to complement and do constructive engagement and criticism to the government. And ekero mondaro morai wense no na say county only to accept or be criticized, then you are not fit to be a leader.
Lakini bishop enchra nere korra kananga kirokende ntubate omo bishop Bishop Ole Sapit nere obere gakorokana kagukwana ase amatuka make lakini korokana nga eriogirie kanisa bado ndiri igoro buna ekageire koba gose buna amatuka magega timetinga ninki kiagerire ese ngencho korora nga bona siasa okorora eriogirie abori achirare kubwa erie kanisa
enga kinare krosa mane history repeats itself na krosa ma se Biblia aba baningo kwana balenge lakini baenga ase power tibarenge kuba tegerera lakini mbatigete gukwana of course as a history enga kinere igete gorunga 450 years of silent years intertestamental period ekaranya saa kirete
kanisa ikira senya kairiyo gukira
ngakiensa bera ikaso gukira ma gukira na kuno gukwana na we otora ikaso tukira in the intertestamental period miaka 450 unga silent years a lot of things happened in the dark God was silent lakini binte binge byakoreka na byo baliba onyego someza mana history na bakonyora na liji revolt yakitiyo Maccabean revolt rise of Pharisees and Sadducees rise of synagogues binte byakoreka during the silent years bone kanisa bera akira bona
igoboni ke kansera se silent years
kanisa ba silent years kanisa era silent years lakini the judge has been speaking through silence at the same time ekara no aja nyana date nga agendera gukwana na banga basire mato na aja rami arange tu nga sengo gotoma tari raisi mba ko koigwa mba ko gotegerera lakini agendera so the judge will push off what we are doing now or what we are likely to do because the government haitaki kusikia sauti ya kanisa sasa tutarudi kwa masses to educate them
but these leaders also attend the masses SH kanisa
yes we will empower the masses. Anglican Church has been very clear hakuna siasa kwa pulpit timesema anyakaro
yes
there are no politics in the pulpit we are now empowering our Christians wamanya their rights because a government are set civic education. There is no civic education going on at all. And when the government withdraws civic education from the civil citizens, then it means it's bringing something which is very dangerous.
Yes.
So for us, we are focusing on them how to empower masses. Wotambira wangu kwana ndina wanga ndatu kwana nga ngaki aikira bono to bwana to focus as a government are close to the people county no services there if you want forget Kenya ngangereike as abana inchi ba conclude in their hearts and their mind we don't have the government, we are the government. Yes.
No mbone si ikire yarorikane nga abarai baka solution ekikorigigu elinde no nyekira abasa baiga bagosoka tichiko babuna ne naro kwanyora nga abasa yo murai agokora gintu kende gekego kwanyora abasa bate ni tutubwate chinguru eserikali bono tirigo chikoba regarded as egento kere special go special unit you yabereke gotwara powers.
Yes.
Na
that's a dangerous route to go. So na kie rubuya abantu bategerere baigwe n'abana youth n'abangetore nabo beke change lakini I've always been wondering balenga tu abo ire ekura yo waka in 2027 balenga tu register na IEBC because that is the only tangible way to make change.
Yes. Mbemana sana a bishop na nekero to korera twarorire bono enibe nyinge yasaliwe nto kwanira environment minus kurigereria ebintu bya bere bigokorekana obusagano bwabeire buna bono nonye gocha semete kwarorire chitaoni emechi ya ya tiringiro bobe bone ko kero gosoka guchiska abo bakonyora nga bado ama isonko lerale kubatekana neti ya gas emetere se maugas mekiri town ya taboraniro akoriro environment especially yakero correlate na ibintu bigabigo korekana boniga advice yawo nereri rabe bono gochasi omukenyo uri okorigerereti
advice ndaro ase abana youth nelinga to exercise our democratic right lakini ntosalia amali to yarende to express ourselves na ase keusi ina sokora daviri ebintu bire bantu batagakorire none kero bagekiriwe bari kogenda banache basalie barabie kibandu kuri mugondo barabia wali so banacha matoke
yes
ebinja lenge intelligento ki African philosophy or mind culture igonto gosalia ngombe ebintu bibwati ibintu bitonje kana ine
bibwati bwa mate
no burayi obobe abandu bayanda bayitaji banda barabicyombe barabici ngoko barabiya matoke emete bitebwati actually na ibono ogosalia your life because you are benefiting kurwa sebintebi bitoetana ine yogenga nayo weita you want to salia mahali let us express ourselves civilly nto kumoyo at the end of the day mbategerere gosemba ruoro there is no power which will be there permanently no bali barasobora bamanyo baro temporary neru biya bategerere inki abantu batagete umurayo muya no yotegerera amatakwa yabana inki bali yakora utoraita abantu tokora mbara biri tutayikora you will kill all the youths of the nation who we will be a leader of a what
nafeko bako
so tigato teme to moderate what we are doing na serikali ya national government tigango to teme chigasi to promise to teme to create tax chiavere too much tigango to teme okay a government when they go why people elect government to caution people's lives cover somehow attainable lakini ekero as a bible a government yango nga pharaoh in Egypt who oppressed the people whether as tax nyinge emichi program chia gerate baka abana ba Israel bakasinywa aswako ya no kanyasa manye na gatebanga na rolire na igure na achire na rolire emechando y'abana bantu bagwetera Egypt na igure ekerero kiabo bona na achire kubatoria nyasa na bande tokoroga na baigwete ekerero kiaba Kenya
yes
enga kingo ikera agoja kuba kombo either wetera ase chikura ose wetera sinjera jinda chanze nyasa abwatu igati totegerere ekerero kiabantu na tonya ko to make an enabling environment abantu bakore biasara na kogendera nona asi county chetu nona asi seria to kobeka asi county assembly na to chirozi in a way chiko motivate citizens kogendera anya ndiria abana youth ababwate chigasi okolengera nimbatoke asi street
aya ngomba leo samba vitu
tango ne chigasi chao bakoreki bagukora aya oneiga ndugwate CPC grade 9 ntuli na umaene ngakiwago chikwanda chibusia
grade geko
ntumaiti what is happening aya school chiarenge bosa yeta sikibaki wano chibusia odole in limbo ntumaiti ngabana baitu bachi bakandira basoma gose ngakike cha cover bono tota y'abantu banje kuri chigasi asichinse chaisiko tuwan tuko create chigasi ime ya Kenya bona abana baito bange bachire gochandika bari bakoenda Saudi Arabia ebintu togochiri report okonyora kurwororo. It is very worrying. N'abana youth wetu nabandete korimera guchi na that is now twasomia abana Kenya abayete twamakuba drain gochi chinse chese gokorega sas draining of the mind ingi wasomete Kenya banya chikas I always wonder na ndabangenda tukoboli nabono abalimu ekera bakulikwa na TSC okonyora bakale bone kulika abalimu ba graduate in 2019 okay na ndo train teachers lakini as recruitment wale 2019 lot ndika yo 2026 aje konyora mirimo oja konyora mirimo ekera 45 years and retire at 50 or 55 system weyo nengiere
Ave bwate bokom korende no kuboringe bintu mbibe bya bishop.
Asante.
Asingincho yebiro tumetinga nkobwate kose kenengere konyo gwatigairi.
Nigo ngasaba abana youth baitu tuteme kubeka omolembe tito kwa moyo asa mabadiliko alia tutagete tieto genderere ko push for aya tutagete kurwase serikali na sense ya Kenya na to yakole within the rule of law ndo salia ebinto tumanyanga gusine yaito Kenya ne yaito lakini totene nabo komu ase ekene kene ukitiri ukweli utadumu totene na ase ekene to push our rights within the rule of law na pia tumanyenga kanisa nero nebwate sauti yaye tubategerere problem kanisa ngoikerase eru omwerekeo nga ngotubana na kitubana tukwakachikura of course bantu bange bali gotegerera nonye abantu bakurigret of the current leadership ba tegerere
Kanisa
eliogiria real church I'm using the word real church. They not listen to the voice of the true church. Because not all bishops are bishops.
Bishop, I think I wasn't in the real church and to
Not pastors are real pastors.
Yes.
So real church. Yeah, try to get really yogi. Asante sana.
Mbia mwana sana mwanche murigirire oyoni gare omo bishop John Omangi kurwa ase otenerete ekiombe kya gose kanisa cheke Anglikana kurwa apa Southern
Nyanza.
Apa Southern Nyanza iyo bwate county ya Kisii na bwe Nyamira.
Yes.
Mwancho murigire na gero twarengie kurigiriria igoro ya ngaki kanise eragendere gutwara ribagali nene asokorenda ebito etanaine na bwego byonsi biri bitonjo kanaine akiagera kwagendere kuba omwigenwa bia mono akigima kendera gutigara ime yemiroberi yende ekobwati titkeriga ijuma korende ase muroberiga abwetwani notoracho gukorera abo chingaki cha bono mambi bonsi bali baneke kwanyorera yega asinjire ngikirano nabarabo kubairaniria mbia mono korukwa Matilda Obaigwa kendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV chingaki chonsi
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamurama chikuya